Guys, welcome to my channel, Bitchat TV.
Baby, we found just who we are meant to be in this galaxy.
Welcome to Bitchat TV. Please subscribe. God bless. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to subscribe. I mean 5.
Bumblebee, no? No, I won't be give up. Why do you want me to give up? Bumblebee, Teletubbies. I already told the answer, baby.
Body. Came first, the egg or the chicken? Give up! Give up or I'll throw my saw at you!
No!
Okay, not kidding!
Not giving up.
Okay, I am not kidding!
I am not giving up.
Okay, I'm not kidding!
I'm not giving up.
Maybe it's Betcha TV.
I told you it's Betcha TV. You say hello, Betcha TV. Say hello, say hello. Hello, welcome to 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello, welcome to Betcha TV. Yeah, please subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, to Betcha TV. Or I'll throw my saw at you. Subscribe.
Very
If you
good.
don't subscribe, I'll throw my saw at you.
Oh no. Then they won't subscribe.
I said, if you don't subscribe, I'll hit you with my sword.
Oh.
So subscribe.
So the more they won't subscribe.
If you don't have shoe on your face, then subscribe to Betcha TV. Yeah.
Subscribe or I'll throw my glass slippers on you.
Subscribe or I'll throw this stone at you. It's very high. Subscribe or I believe there's a diamond inside this. We will throw a lava at you. Yeah. Subscribe or I'll throw a gnome at you. Like those gnomes.
Where?
There. They look like a statue.
Oh, they're
So
elves.
what is it? You give up. Give up.
I'm not giving up. Why you always want me to give up?
Leg squid.
Biscuit. Biscuit.
Biscuit with a biscuit.
No? Easy peasy? But I can't guess it. Then it's a bubuy. Buyeye.
No, it's a B. The letter B.
Buyeye?
It's the letter B. Let's go upstairs with the adults. Hello.
Tomorrow.
breakfast. Uy pa! Guys, good morning. Let's eat breakfast at Tiffany's. Breakfast at New State. Nature's Park. Okay na. Itong order ko. Bango. Bango silog. With hot coffee. Charger yun mo yung langka wine. Mga busog na. Tapos na mag-breakfast. Babalik na kami sa aming Ethan's Lodge. Actually, tas swimming pool pa mamaya.
Ala! Yung face! Ay, roll over ang Liana! Ang Liana, roll over! Yes? Ay, hindi!
Watching.
2 hours later.
Camera. Camera. Ay, hindi ano. Julia and then... Gerald.
Enak!
Siyempre kayo. Siyempre kayo, original.
Kita, dali! Pang yan!
Okay. Ilapit ko konti Sige. Kasi hindi kita masabi. Okay lang, hindi ko man
Ito. Yan na, uwian na. Back to Manila.
Ito. Ma, yung ibang picture naka
Dito kami sasakay sa Everest. Sakay na! Uwi na kami! Biyahe pa uwi. Back to Manila. Na lang! Yan, bibili kami ng malagkit. Oh, malagkit. Magkano? Walang bawas? Bawasan? Tapat na? Tapat na raw. Isang pack. 50 daw. Oh, bagong luto. Bagong luto.
Ito.
Ano yung pwede? Ayan. Lobos na lahat.
Yan, ipapasalubong mo sa pamilya mo.
Wala na.
Siya mo bro.
Ayan, kinumpra na.
Saka to, te.
Kinumpra na namin. Ayan, at saka kasoy.
Ano yan?
100 daw isa.
Dalawang piraso ko doon.
Bigyan nyo naman yung driver namin.
Parang awa niya. Maloy. Maloy, maloy. Maloy.
Ipa-vlog pa kita.
Ay, thank you. Magbalik dito kayo bumili ha ng pasalubong. Ito. Ayan, pag-akyat.
Pagbaba niya yung unang tindahan.
Oo. Ayan na. Oo. YouTube ito.
Oh, ito, Betcha TV.
Betcha TV. Ayan, follow mo kay dito. Ayan na.
Plus 1 subscriber na rin kayo.
Oo.
Kayo, oh.
Pag akyat nyo ng ano.
Dito kayo pamili.
Dito kayo bumili.
Libre ito.
Mayroon bonus. Isang tali.
Ano mo?
Facebook Reels. Ayan. Ayan, may libre din. Oh, ilan ang libre? Isa. Ay. Every smile. Bili kayo dito ha. Ayan. Bago kayo umakyat o kaya pagbaba nyo, bili kayo dito. Ayan, naubos. Wala na, gawa ka ulit. Thank you. Bye.
Welcome to Betcha TV. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. That is a TV. Subscribe. God bless.